Let me show you how to use Sego Gele to achieve celebrant style. So the measurement is 50-50. Divide your Sego equal 50-50. Then you create the front pleating. Yes, help me to say thank you to my last boy, Gabriel. Thank you for your time. Yes, so it's not easy to do a model. So focus your eye on my hand and you will achieve one or two things today. This is Sego material. Oh, Gabriel is tired. Oh, hey, okay. Yes, create the front pleating. Then you tell your customer to help you to grab that corner. Then that's it. You continue the pleating, straighten the pleating. I just want you to focus your eye on my hand. My name is Deck Beauty. I base in United Kingdom, London. Let me remove this voiceover. Let me stop here. Enjoy the video to the end. See you on my next video. Thank you. Tell Gabriel thank you for me, for sitting down for me. Hey, you know my house, I have 3 boys. So my first boy always help me off camera. It's only Gabriel and Emmanuel. So 2 of them will buy their big gift. David no. Thank you. Gabriel is happy. Gabriel like gift. Oh. This year Gabriel will be 10. Gabriel will be 10 by June 2nd. Double number. Hey, Gabriel need many gifts. Oh. Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone. I just wanted to enjoy this video. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.
We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust your dada. Hey, we also train people for makeup, guillotine, and a lot more. Just call on Deck Beauty and she'll be right there with you. She travels worldwide. International connection. She's there. Always available. Gele to be tight.
Deck Beauty, looking good and looking nice. Deck Beauty,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
Deck Beauty, anywhere you go, you need some makeup love. Deck Beauty,
In case you need your Gele to be tight.
Deck Beauty, looking good and looking nice. Deck Beauty,
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go. Deck Beauty house.
carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go. Deck Beauty house,
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go. Deck Beauty house.
carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go. Deck Beauty house.
Oh, Samudia me. Oh, I say no me ye me. Oh, I just to get mudia ni me fo. Oh, Samudia no ma ayete. Megite. No Samudia now.
Hey day,
Oh, I no Samudia now.
hey day,
No Samudia now. Hey day, yeah. No Samudia now. Hey day.
anywhere you go, you need some makeup love. Deck Beauty,
In case you need your Gele to be tight.
Deck Beauty, looking good and looking nice. Deck Beauty,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
Deck Beauty, anywhere you go, you need some makeup love.
case you need your gele to be tight.
Get busy.